currently Sunday, and today we are actually going to go spearfishing. We're going to at least try to. Yesterday it was too choppy, as you saw, and we just ended up relaxing on the beach, which was really nice. But today we're going to try again for spearfishing, and I'm really hoping to get some stuff. And then later today we've got a family lunch, so a bunch of my family is going to come over. Cousins, aunties, uncles, everybody's going to come, and we're just going to have a big family lunch. And then I don't know what we're going to do in the afternoon, but we're doing some fun stuff later today. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and update you guys and say thank you to everyone who's watching. I'm not a huge YouTuber, but I just want to say thank you if you're watching these videos. It's really fun for me to make them, and I really enjoy just sharing this beautiful island with you guys and my little life with you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let's get straight into today's activities. Watching the waves right now. We're supposed to be going spearfishing right in this area, but sometimes it was pretty choppy. Like right now the waves like go up on the rocks right there, so I don't know. He's moving. There. It is currently Monday today, and I'm really excited because we have a lot of super fun things planned. We're going to be going to the Captain Cook Monument and kayaking around and snorkeling, and I'm not really sure what to expect, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be fun because so far everything has been awesome. Yeah, yesterday we just went spearfishing, and then we had a bunch of family over for lunch, which is really awesome and super fun to get to see everybody here. And then for the nighttime, me and my mom just went around town. We went cruising around and just looked at the different shops, went down to the Kailua Pier, went down to Kona Town, and we watched the sunset at one of these beautiful beaches, and it was gorgeous. I also feel like I haven't fully explained like why we're here and all that stuff. Basically, we're here in Hawaii because my grandparents live here and we wanted to see them. We also have a bunch of family here. My mom actually grew up here in Kailua Kona, so we are staying at her childhood home and visiting all of her favorite places. You may have seen the video I did yesterday when we were cruising around Kona Town. There is this restaurant that used to be called Ocean View Inn, and my grandpa was the owner of it. Our whole entire family worked there. My mom worked there. It actually closed right after I was born, so I never actually got to see it when it was open. It's really cool to go down there and still see the restaurant and see that it is still open, and you could probably go there if you ever come to Kona, and you may have walked by it if you go here. But it's just so cool seeing that place, and it's like in the ideal location here in Hawaii, and it's just beautiful seeing seeing what the restaurant was and hearing all the stories that my mom has told me all my life growing up, and actually seeing the place in person is so fun to come back year after year and see that place. But yeah, there's just a bunch of stories my mom has told me about how that restaurant came, how our family ended up owning it. But yeah, it used to be called Ocean View Inn, and it was so cute, and I always see pictures of what it used to look like and stories from my mom. But yeah, it's really cool to see in person. Anyways, that's a little backstory on my family. My trip has been so awesome so far, and I know I haven't been updating super crazy during the middle of the day, mostly just the mornings, because that's the only time I really have to sit down and update, but I'll try to continue updating throughout the day. But yeah, let's get on with the adventures. The dogs are out. Say hello to the video.
See how feedback can go.
Another night goes by, I can't describe what you are. Yeah. But you could be the one to, yeah, make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new. Over you, over you. You could be the one to make me wanna come through.
made it out, okay.
Yeah? My GoPro? Yeah, I get sound.
Come get me before the shark does me.
Okay.
So you go to that link and it's like it just says no landing.
Hi you guys, we just got back from our kayaking a little bit ago and that was one of the most awesome experiences of this trip. I feel like I got the best video footage that I've ever gotten. It was awesome seeing all the fish and just snorkeling around. I think the kayaks was an awesome way to go because we got to literally have so much freedom and just go wherever we wanted and snorkel in all the cool places, and yeah, it was just amazing. Words cannot explain how awesome my day was today. But yeah, I'm making a little lei right now. I've got some plumeria flowers and we're gonna go sit on my grandma's porch and make a lei. Guys, it is currently Tuesday and today we're going to be going for a hike in this valley that I did last time I was here, and it's so pretty. I'm excited to try again this year, so I'm looking forward to that. We have quite a drive to get to the actual hiking area, so we'll see some beautiful scenery on the way there and then do the hike, and I'm not sure what else we'll do the rest of today. I have really been loving this trip so far and I just feel like I have such an adventurous family because I'm looking back at all the clips from this video and being like, wow, we did so much stuff. Like we went kayaking, we went spearfishing, we went like diving, like all this crazy stuff we did, and it's like just our family vacation, and we just like always do this type of stuff on vacations, and I kind of love having an adventurous family because it's always so fun seeing what we get up to. probably so tired because we went on a huge hike, multiple lookout points that we went to after the hike, and we've just been driving around for a while, but it was super fun. We went to this one valley where we were gonna hike, and we were gonna plan on going up the other side and doing a longer version of the hike, but it turns out that that trail is not currently being maintained, so we weren't able to do that. So we drove a little bit ways to do some other little lookout points, and it was really fun. I just pretty much read in the car when we were driving, and so it was really relaxing and nice to see all the different beaches and everything. But yeah, so far this trip has been awesome. I'm really looking forward to all the other days. Tomorrow we're planning on going to Hilo, which is the other part of the island, so we'll be seeing some family members who live there, and yeah, we're just gonna relax for the end of today. It's been really nice and rainy and like misty today, which is awesome. It was really nice and sunny in the morning, but every afternoon it always comes in these big clouds with lots of rain, and it's so peaceful. I'm gonna go ahead and relax with my family, and I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow for our Hilo vlog.